जुबली ये देखो आसमानी परी, सबको नचाए ये है मीठी छुरी।
Hi, the viewers of Khaleej Times. This is Sonam Kapoor and I am in your office, and my movie Dolly Ki Doli is releasing on the 22nd in Dubai and the rest of UAE, and I'm very excited for you guys to see it.
लुटेरी दुल्हन जिसने कल रात भव्य रूप से शादी की और सुबह होने से पहले सारा सामान लपेटा और लापता हो गई।
Like every script has, you know, you make a little bit of a wish list as to when a script is ready as to who would do it. So it's not as though a few names didn't pop up. They did, but then with a lot of discussion and you know a lot of things between the writer, director, and me, we kind of concluded that I think Sonam is the one that we should approach. And
I don't sign films together. A lot of the times I do that. I have maximum 2 releases a year, so I kind of concentrate on one film because it's just fair to all the people who are working, and it's also it's easier for me to get into a specific character. I think I'm like a really annoying golden retriever, like constantly smiling and like jumping all over. I'm like overtly affectionate. I mean, I'm not licking anybody, but
or pawing somebody.
But yeah, I think I'm like a really annoying dog. Like a lover dog.
I'm a rat. No, not really.
Scurrying around. I think I'm a feline.
I think I'm a lion. I'm a Leo, so I consider myself little laid back, strong, silent, like to believe, so I'm like king of the jungle.
I mean, and I think after very long, people are going to be treated to something like that. I mean, as opposed to the constant 2.5, 3-hour films. It's light and it's easy. You go back home smiling. You don't have to, it's not like you got to take the world's burden and troubles on your head. So I think that's what's nice about it.
वो फंसाती है मोहब्बत के झांसे में।
आप बिल्कुल हीरो की तरह लगते हैं।
कभी जूही तो कभी विद्या, कभी माधुरी तो कभी डॉली, खाती है जीवन भर निभाने की कसमें।
नहीं।
Hi, this is Arbaz Khan, and for the Khaleej Time viewers, I would like to say that my film Dolly Ki Doli, which is a drama comedy, releases I think here on the 22nd of Jan, and it's a fun film, a quirky film with some great performances. We've got Sonam, we've got Pulkit, we've got Varun Sharma, and we've got Rajkumar Rao, and it's a wholesome entertainer. It's a family entertainer. I think everybody's just going to love the comedy, the music, and the entertainment that we have to offer. So please go and see it.